Hello, Willy.
Hey.
We've got another giant box from your favorite company, Moose Toys. I took a peek inside, but you got no idea what's inside.
Oh, I know.
All right,
Let's open it up.
let's see what you got.
It's Akedos!
It's a whole bunch of Akedos.
Mm-hmm.
Ton of them.
I've never seen this many Akedos in my whole life.
Let me see that one.
This one's a different one.
Oh man, let's get them all out and take a good look at them.
We have
Oh, that's a giant one.
this.
And it's got a battle arena?
No way.
Oh man.
We have to open this one.
All right, yeah, we've got them all out of the box. We want to thanks again to Moose Toys for sending us these cool Akedo toys to review. Yep, and we've got a giant list of what they are right here, actually. We've got the Akedo single pack. That is this one. This is Legends of Akedo Powerstorm.
What's the different ones?
We've got the Akedo giant pack. Which one is that one? That one looks like this one right here. It's the giant pack.
The giant.
I think that's it. Then there's the starter pack.
Which...
That looks like this guy right here. The official starter pack. And we've got the Akedo Battle Arena. This huge thing right here. Alright, what do you want to open first?
Small first.
Which one? The small one? Alright,
Smallest to biggest.
let's do it.
And we also figured out there's another Akedo right here. Well, his name, he's right there.
The Extinguisher.
So I found out they have elements.
Oh, okay.
So we got a fire.
Oh,
But
cool.
if you get this one, which is the best one, limited edition, all the elements in one.
What's his name?
Lord Shafter?
Lord Shifta.
Lord Shifter.
Next up is the Battle Giants Akedo Powerstorm with double strike armor and elemental battle action.
Ooh.
Alright, let's see who this guy is.
Whoa.
Who do we got? Who do we got? Cool. Okay, well,
This guy's a volcano head.
who do we got? What's his name?
We got
And then this guy.
Volcrag. Volcrag?
Volcrag.
Volcrag. We got Volcrag.
Alright, next up are the Akedo Powerstorm starter pack with legendary kick action and elemental battle action. And there's 3 of these guys in here. Alright, we gotta see what's up. I wanna know, I'm not sure what this thing is.
What thing?
Exclusive training piece. It's called a punching bag or something.
Looks like a
Let's
top.
crack it open.
Got
Alright, so
the kicking guy. We have right
here's the
here.
kicking guy.
He's in the legendary section.
Yeah.
His name is Firefoot White
Right.
Weather.
Firefoot Wrath.
Firefoot Rat.
And then, what about this guy?
Got an octopus.
Oh, the octopus.
And he is in the Power Strikers. Squirrelpuss?
Squid lips.
Squirrelips.
And this guy, purple, black and purple guy. You can see him. There he is. He's in the classics. His name is Agent Maldi. Okay. All right, we're down to the final giant ultimate battle arena.
But before that, we're gonna.
Oh, Look at that. You can even play while you're inside. All it's in the packaging. Oh, that one's taped up. All right, let's get it open. Whoa, it makes sound. Oh yeah, we got the little punching bag. Oh.
How do we take this?
Okay, we've got it all set up. There's even a little boxing bag that they can fight and punch. And then, oops, and then, oh, what did I do? Alright, oh, that goes back there. Okay, see, I set that up. And then, here's all the other guys. And what we've got here, you know this guy's name?
No.
His name is Turbo Chucksley. Kind of looks like Bruce Lee, but his name is Turbo Chucksley. And then there's Screenshot. This guy is Screenshot. And here's Turbo Chucksley. Okay, well, we've got it all set up. Looking good. And there's even a little thing to keep score. And the boxing bag. And I think that's what if we want to fight one at a time. Alright, you ready to battle it out? I'll be Turbo Chucksley.
I'll be shot.
Let's do it. Oh, wait a minute. Let's turn it on.
Got a shield.
Is that a cow?
You know when you put it in the CD disc, that's
I think you put it upside down.
No, I didn't. That's
Yeah,
how
it's upside down. So these things are surrounding these Akedo guys, and that's why none of them would break open.
Yeah.
We were battling for like an hour until we finally figured that out. So make sure you take the little plastic straps off each character.
So if
Now-
you ever get
Now we're ready to fight. I'm gonna be Chuck's Leroy.
Let's start it up.
And you are Screenshot. Turn it on.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, I got a point.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm crying. Hold on, let me put them together.
Let's go. Yeah.
Shield.
Yeah, that shield really works. Oh, 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 ow, 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 ow. I'm gonna make some Bruce Lee noise. Are you thirsty? Would you like a glass of water? Oh, ow, ooh, ow. Oh.
1 point for me.
Let's try these guys. I'm gonna be this kicking person.
And I'm gonna be this guy. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, oh, kick you in the head. Oh yeah, I gotcha. I gotcha. You wanna be this guy?
I'll be this guy.
Okay,
That
versus the
guy's so good.
undefeated
You got a spear.
the undefeated
and-
kicking princess. Oh.
Let's do this.
Ah. Oh, you got me.
Let's do this.
Let's try the punching bag.
Punching back. Right. Come on, let's start this.
Oh! Push it a little tighter. There we go. Let's knock it down. Go. Nice. My turn. Oh, I think you won this battle.
Now let's see if it made us better at playing.
I want to try this thing out.
It's a punching bag.
This little.
It still works if he's dead. Okay, you try it.
You do it.
I got this guy, you got that guy. Strong punching bag. The new Akedo. It's called the biggest, like, the cat Akedo. Hey, if you love these Akedos, make sure to love this video and subscribe. You'll see the Akedos will come for you. And he will say that.